Well, I've always been passionate about cooking. I've always enjoyed, especially cooking, barbecues in the outdoors. It's a great Australian thing to do. It sort of ties into what's happening here. This whole paddock to plate experience, and it's that sort of thing that got me into cooking and sort of where I've ended up right now. This real true connection from the land to what we eat. So to highlight that here at Mayura Station's tasting room is definitely something that gives me great pleasure. Well, I'm still so excited to open up a new piece of meat, to cut into it and see the wonderful marbling and just the absolute quality of it. But then there's the other side, which is after cooking it and serving it up. For me especially, it's getting people in their late 80s that are saying that that's the best meal they've ever had in their life. Well, it's pretty satisfying, to be honest, yeah. To see the way that people enjoy their food, knowing and hearing the story about where it's come from and really having that understanding, that's part of the experience here for sure. My name's Mark Wright. I'm the head chef and manager here at the tasting room, which is on the farm at Mayura Station.